My name is Nikki Crocker from Greenwood, Nova Scotia, Canada, and this is my Gold Canyon story. I first found out about Gold Canyon 6 years ago by a previous co-worker. I worked in retail for 18 years, and she introduced me to Gold Canyon. And I done my first home party. Sweet Pea was my first fragrance that I came in love with, and I've been using and buying the product ever since. I loved the candle. I loved how it burnt. There was no candle in a grocery store or on the market that could burn as nice as what Gold Canyon's candle does burn. It is much easier to share my passion and my love for the candles because I've experienced them and used them for 6 years before, so it's much easier to share that with my customers, my friends, my family, and even to the strangers that I meet. I just initially started because I wanted the product at a discounted price. In my first party, I made $200, and I said to my husband, I'm like, hey, you know what? I can make some money at this business. I was working retail, like I said, for 18 years. I was working 60+ hours a week, never ever seen my family. My kids were texting me, they were calling me, wanting me to come home, but with commitments, with a business who paid my wages. I felt that I had to be dedicated and I had to be there for them, or else I could lose my job. And at that point, that's what I had. In this day and age, you have to have 2 incomes to work. So after a year selling the candles, I decided I'm doing Gold Canyon full time, and I would never ever change it for the world. And it has really enriched our lives, personally and family-wise. It pays our mortgage, it pays my van payment, and it's given us that extra money for if there's a rainy day that we need to have because of a vehicle breaking down or having an added expense in the house. I have that extra that we can say, hey, here it's put away, and here it is. When I first joined Gold Canyon, I had some friends and some family members say to me, oh, you're selling candles? Well, you're not gonna make any money in the candles. Why did you do that? So with having them comments said to me, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna prove you wrong. I would never ever go back into retail. I would never ever go back to a job, whether it's a 9 to 5. I love to be able to wake up in the morning and to be able to pick my own hours. When I went to convention last year, Gold Canyon announced our annual Achievers trip, which was Maui. It would have been the first annual Achievers trip that I would have made. And once I went home from convention, I put an action plan in place, and I was determined. I set goals. I posted them everywhere in the house, and I was making Maui, and I was taking my husband with me. And I was proving to my family and to my friends that in Gold Canyon, you can make money and they will send you on trips. And actually, May 2nd was our 15th year wedding anniversary. So Gold Canyon gave us that opportunity that we were in Maui for our 15th year wedding anniversary, which that was really nice to celebrate that. I feel it's the whole package deal, the friends, the friendships, the income, the flexibility, the traveling. It's everything that I wanted, or I thought I had when I was in retail, and I didn't have hardly any of it when I was in retail. I have it all now in Gold Canyon. And that's why I say that nobody will ever be able to take that away from me, because I have everything that I want with a lot less stress.